We've covered this quite extensively, the devastation that these monsoon rains have brought India, Pakistan, Myanmar, and surrounding areas. The torrential rains led to landslides in the countryside and inundated cities, electrocuting some residents and burying others under mud. Furious monsoon rains pounded India and Pakistan over the weekend, wiping away entire villages, submerging cities, and leaving civilians desperately crouching on rooftops, and in one instance, frantically clutching onto a construction crane for rescue. Indian military forces fanned out across the south and the west of the country to perform rescue missions. In one case, they stripped down tree limbs to haul a wheelchair-bound man to safety through a thick forest, and in another, provided dinghies to ferry civilians to one of hundreds of relief camps set up across the nation. Some incredible pictures here. Do you like this show? Give us a thumbs up. Want to support us more? Share to your favorite social media platform. Buy a t-shirt or become a Patreon. All links are in the description below.